Hey guys, welcome back to Sudama Lab. Today in this video, we're gonna take a look at the new Windows 11 Insider PB build 29,550.1000, which is just released in Canary Channel. This build is a part of the new 29,500 series, which focuses mostly on platform and architectural improvements inside Windows 11. Diamonds, this update does not bring a lot of visible features, but it does include some important improvements, fixes, and a few small new additions. So in this video, we're gonna take a look about all the new changes and improvements in Windows 11 inside build 29,550. So before we talk about the feature, there is something important that Microsoft recently changed in the Canary channel. Microsoft has now introduced two different development tracks. If a build number starts with 28,000, you're on the path. There is a features that are a bit closer to release. But if your build number starts with 29,500, like this builds, you are testing very early platform development changes. Microsoft also warns that these builds can be less stable, and once you move to 29,500 series, you cannot go back without reinstalling Windows. One of the main improvements in this build is related to the power settings. Microsoft has fixed an issue where global power settings could behave inconsistently depending on the power plan you are using. For example, settings like screen timeout, sleep timeout, hibernate settings, lid closer behavior could sometimes act differently depending on the selected power mode. With this update, this setting could now behave consistently across all power plans, which improves the overall power management experience. Another changes on this build is related to the settings app. So Microsoft has just made optimizations to improve the loading performance of the settings homepage. So when you just open settings, it should now load faster and feel more responsive. Microsoft has also fixed some reliability issues when navigating to the privacy and security section in settings. These improvements help to make overall settings experience smoother. Next, Microsoft has improved voice typing functionality. With this build, voice typing now works when renaming files inside File Explorer. Say if you select a file and press F2 to rename it, you can press WinKey+H to start a voice typing. Then you can simply speak your file name and Windows will convert your speech into text. This is a useful improvement for accessibility and productivity. Another small additions in this build is related to the camera controls. If a webcam supports pan and tilt features, you can now control these options directly from the Windows Settings app. You can now find this option by going to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and Cameras. This means you no longer need to rely on third-party camera software to adjust those settings. And finally, Windows 11 now includes support for Emoji 16.0. This adds a variety of new emojis including a face with bag on the eyes, new animals, new food icons, and several new expressions. You can access them using Emoji Panel, which you can open by pressing Windows plus period key. Overall, Windows 11 Canary build 29,550 is mainly focused on under the hood improvements and platform development, but it still includes a new useful additions like improved power setting behavior, faster settings performance, voice typing support in File Explorer, new webcam controls, and Emoji 16.0 support. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this build, and always thanks for watching.